Hey, it's Bernie with Raw Custom Designs. Just coming at you today, give you a little update on what's going on. I have a ton of these ear sabers for your mask now. I'm still making them. You can hear it in the background. Let me spin this camera around. So I got some acrylic from my dad. He's down in Florida. Gonna have him send some to my sister also. She's gonna make some. She has a Glowforge. That way the people in Florida have more than one option. So here's a piece of that scrap right now. They'll look like this. They're thicker. They got a cool texture to them. It's almost like the glass that you see on patio tables. He works at a recycling plant, so he's able to give me some scraps. And these are the ones that I'm making out of the acrylic from Glowforge, and the scraps and donations from here in Cali. So you can see the size difference. This one's about an eighth, maybe a little less than an eighth, and this one's almost a quarter. Both will work fine. One's a little stronger than the other, but they both work great. I've also decided to fire up the 3D printer. I saw somebody on Facebook over in Canada that's making them on their 3D printer, and decided, you know what, that's a good idea. I can have two machines running at once. So I fired it up, got a file off of Thingiverse, and am using that. And let me show you who that was. That was, hope he doesn't mind me showing his picture and stuff, but Dustin Dixon from Maryland made these ear sabers. He designed them, and I'm giving these away too. These are also free. So let's see what they're like. There's a ton of them on Thingiverse. So if you have a 3D printer, go on, type in ear sabers, and you're going to come up with just endless amounts of ones that you can make. So like I said, I'm giving these away for free. All you have to do is get a hold of me. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So find Raw Customs Designs or Bernie Yost, and I will somehow get them to you. If you need me to ship, which I will need you to pay for shipping, and I won't have that amount until they actually ship out. I do take PayPal. I have a Square, so I could take credit cards. And I had Facebook Pay. For some reason, that thing's acting up. I'm trying to get that fixed now. So get a hold of me. Let me know how many you need, and I can mail them out. But like I said, please pay shipping. Otherwise, these are completely free. All right. Thank you. Stay safe. Wash your hands, and let me know what you need.